guys, it's Eileen from Loving Plants, and today I wanted to talk about fertilizing for beginners because I know that fertilizing plants seems intimidating. How do I know? Because I was completely intimidated and I didn't want to do it, and I said, well, can't I just water my plants and they'll be fine? And no, if you're going to keep house plants, you gotta fertilize. And the reason for that is the plants need nutrients. You know, they're in your care. They're not just getting the natural, broken down organisms from dead leaves or animal poop and all those things wild in nature that actually ultimately fertilize the plant. So we have to do that. And I wanted to just show and share with you the easiest, hands down, the easiest form of fertilizing, especially for beginners, and that is right here, Liquidirt, okay? I am not sponsored, I just use this all the time. So I want to talk about it and how we're going to use it, and I'm going to show you how I make up my mix right now. But first of all, when you order Liquidirt, the price tag is going to be a little bit in like $30 to $35, somewhere in that range, at least as of 2021. Look for a coupon code. Sometimes you can find one. But I would definitely say that that price is nothing when you realize that this little pouch is going to last you potentially years. You heard me, years. How is that possible? Well, this becomes your concentrate. This is a powder, so it's gonna be very, very light. Right now, I actually mixed in. So I'm just showing you basically how to do this. You mix in a cup of water into your powder to make your concentrate, which I had already previously done. So I just put the cup of water here to show you. That's all you're gonna need. And you know what? You're gonna get yourself a funnel. It's the easiest way to put it in there, put your cup of water in, put the lid back on, let it sit at least overnight before you use this. And you've got your concentrate that, again, is going to last you a very, very long time, depending, of course, how many plants you have. So right now, I need to make my mix. And the reason I'm going to show you all of this stuff is because I was confused when I first got that pouch, because the directions are here, but I still didn't understand quite what I was doing. And on the back, it does say pour 1 cap of concentrate into a gallon of filtered water. So instead of 1 cap, they actually sent from Liquidirt themselves, they sent this little eyedrop. So you could do a cap, but I think it's much easier to reach in there with the eyedropper and put it in your gallon of water. So I have this gallon of filtered water that I am going to actually put into the glass bottle. We have some doodling here that my husband did for our plant food bottle. I'm going to put this filtered water into this bottle because you have to keep in mind that once you make up your mix, you're gonna have it in your closet for probably well over a month. And it's an extra step, but I feel that potentially you don't want any type of bacteria or plastic or anything in that mix because you're ultimately giving it to your plant babies. So I take the extra step like they're kids, So we're gonna put this regular purified drinking water, filtered water, into this gallon. Okay, that took longer than I thought. It actually got stuck. And then we had to lift this and get it all in there. All right, we're all set now. So after you've received your Liquidirt, remember, you've already had this sitting after you put your cup of water in the powder for overnight at least. Maybe give it a little shake or swirl. This stuff can be messy, but that's why we have funnels and all that, these eyedroppers and all this stuff that helps us out. Okay, doesn't have to be an exact measurement, just go into your mix. Got like almost a full eyedropper there. And I'm putting that in to this gallon of filtered water. And that's it. You guys understanding why now this is going to last you potentially years, because this cup of water, oh, I should add, I might have said it, I'm not sure, but the cup of water that you put in the concentrate should be filtered. It's going to be sitting there. And again, you just want to make sure that you have the best stuff for your plant babies. Okay, so we have our gallon of filtered water with an eyedropper full or a cap full, or however you guys do this, and this mix is ready to go. So when you're ready to water your plants, I don't measure exact, but I'm going to tell you what the idea is. About a quarter cup per small watering can. Does that make sense? About a quarter cup, dump it in, and then add filtered water. So this mix is really going to last you, again, at least a month and a half. So you pour in, the way I do it is I pour in, I guess, glug, 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 if that's a real measurement. And then I put the filtered water on top, and I'm ready to go to water my plants. Now, something super important is a lot of questions that people have are, do we only fertilize in the growing season? And this is what we hear. In this particular case, Liquidirt will not burn or hurt your plants. It's 100% organic. You can use it for every watering. And I was confused about that, so I actually had contacted the owner of Liquidirt. Very helpful guy, answered all my questions. I said, can I use this for every watering, for every plant? Oh, he said, absolutely, because you can never overdo it. So let's say you do a glug, 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 and you think it's too many glugs in your watering can. You cannot overdo it, because nothing with this stuff will burn your plants, which is amazing. And he said it's roughly 70 degrees in the average family's home, 60 to 70, I'll say. And that's all year round. So where's the growing season, right? And it just kind of a light bulb went off like, oh, he's right. Where is the growing season when you have the exact same climate in your home at all times? So guys, fill up your Liquidirt with a cup, filtered water overnight. Take an eyedropper, take your cap full, put it in your filtered water mix. You are ready to go. Take about a glug, glug, glug or a quarter cup in every small watering can. And that is it. That is fertilizing made easy. You're going to do that with every single watering. And guys, I don't think it gets easier than that. I hope this was helpful. If it was, give it a like and please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks so much, guys. And let me know if you have had any experience with Liquidirt or if you're going to use it. I'd love to know your stories. Comment below. Take care.